Welcome to this discussion. This is the paper that was done in October, November 2019. The paper is 3 hours. Mathematics. This paper is done by the following students. We have students who are pursuing Diploma in Building, Diploma in Quantity Surveying, Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Highway Engineering, and also Diploma in Architecture. So the paper has 8 questions. The students or the candidates are required to answer or to attempt 5 questions out of 8. Now this question 8 part or section 2 says this, that the weight of a concrete block used in construction is assumed to be a continuous random variable x with the probability density function as shown on the whiteboard, that f of x equals to kx in the range x is greater than 0 and x is less than 1. And we have the second interval k into 2 minus x, where x is greater than 1 but less than 2. F of x equals to 0 elsewhere. Now, using the given information, they want us to determine Roman 1, the value of k, and then Roman 2 to determine the mean, and then Roman 3 for us to determine the probability that x is x is greater or equal to 3 over 4 and x is less or equal to 3 over 2. Let's see how we can be able to solve this equation. Solution. We want to get the value of k. Now we know that for a probability density function, the integral of f of x dx must give us 1 for a continuous variable. Therefore, we shall apply this property to be able to get the value of k. Now, we are integrating the first interval from 0 to 1. Then our f of x is kx dx, then plus the second interval from 1 to 2. Our f of x there is k into then it must give us 1. Now because k is common, we can take it out. Equals to 1. We have factorized out k. Now, when you integrate x, you get x squared over 2. Then the limits, we are integrating from 0 to 1 plus. When you integrate 2, you get 2x minus, when you integrate x, you get x squared all over 2. But we are integrating from 1 to 2 equals to 1. Now, we now substitute in the limits. So we start with the upper limit. So it will be 1 squared to be 1 squared equal 1 over 2 minus, where there is x, now we substitute with the 0 with the lower limit, which will be 0, like that. Then we substitute with the upper limit, so we have 2 times 2, which is 4, minus, this is 2 squared, which is 4 divided by 2, it will be 2, minus 2, then minus the lower limit. The lower limit we substitute with 1, 2 times 1, we have 2, we have 2, minus, this is 1 squared is 1, so it will be a half, equals to 1. So we have k, so it will be a half, minus 0. Here we have 2 plus 2, minus 2, negative and negative, plus a half. So this and that will cancel because plus 2 minus 2 is 0. Then you have a half plus a half, you have 1 equals to 1. So k, therefore, k equals to 1. So the value of the constant is 1. So here the most important thing is for us to know that for a continuous random variable, the integral of f of x dx must give us 1. So using this property of the probability density function, we can be able to navigate through and get the value of the constant the way we have done it. So let's then we can calculate the mean. Now, the mean of a probability density function is given by f of x in the integral of x, f of x dx. Now, so we shall have the integral of from 0 to 1, then we have x times f of x is kx dx, then plus the second interval from 1 to 2, x times, remember this x times now f of x, it will be k into 2 minus x dx, like that. Now, but what is k? K is 1. So this equals the integral of x squared dx plus 1 to 2. This is 1, so we multiply through by x, so we have 2x minus x squared, then dx. Now when you integrate x squared, we get x cubed all over 3, then from 0 to 1 plus, when you integrate 2x, you get 2x squared all over 2 minus x cubed all over 3. We are integrating from 1 to 2, like that. Now here we can now substitute. We can substitute the limits. So equals to, the upper limit is 1, so we have 1 raised to 3, it is 1, then all over 3. Then minus the lower limit, where there is x, we put there 0, it will be 0. So we remain with 1 over 3. Then plus, so these two and these two will cancel. So we have x squared. So x squared we substitute with 2, so we shall have 2 squared, which is 4, minus, this is 2 raised to 3 is 8, so minus 8 over 3. Then we subtract the lower limit. So when there is x, we put in that 1. So it is with 1 square, so it will be 1. It will be 1 minus 1 all over 3. So this equals to 1 all over 3 plus 4 minus 8 all over 3 minus 1 plus 1 all over 3. The LCM is 3. 3 there 1. We have 1 plus 1 into 3. 3 times 4, we have 12. Minus 3 there 1 times 8. Minus 1 here 3 times 1, 3 plus 1. So this equals to 12 minus 8, we have 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 all over 3, which equals to 1. So mean equals to 1. So after getting the mean, we can now proceed to get the probability that x is greater or equal to 3 over 4 and x is less or equal to 3 over 2. Okay, so we want to find the probability that x is greater than 3 over 4 and x is less than 3 over 2. But we know the value of k. So this one will be equal to the integral of 3 over 4, 3 over 2 x dx, because k is 1, then plus from 3 over 4 to 3 over 2, 2 minus x, then dx. This equals to, now when you integrate x, we have x squared all over 2. We are integrating from 3 all over 4 to 3 all over 2 plus, here we have 2x minus x squared all over 2, integrating from 3 all over 4 to 3 all over 2. Now we now substitute. So we have 3 all over 2 squared all over 2 minus 3 all over 4 squared all over 2. Then we are here plus 3 all over 2 3 all over 2 times 2 times 2, then minus 3 over 2 squared over 2. So that's the upper limit, minus now the lower limit, which will be 2 times 3 all over 4 times 3 all over 4 minus 3 all over 4 squared over 2. So this equals to, this will be 9 over 4 remember this is 9 over 4 divided by 2. This is 9 over 4 divided by 2. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2. So we have 9 over 4. So this will be now 9 over 8. It will be 9 over 8 because we get the reciprocal of that, which is 1 over 2. 2 times that, we have that. Then minus we have 3 all over 4. So this is now 9. It is 9. This is 9 over 16 divided by 2. So it will be minus 9 over 32. We get the reciprocal of 1 of 2, which is 1 over 2. 2 times 16, we have that. Then plus 2 and 2 will cancel, so we remain with the 3 minus 3 squared, that is 9 over 4 divided by 2, which is the same as 9 over 8 minus 9 over 8. Then we now subtract the lower limit. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we have 3 all over 2 minus, this is 9, 3, so 9 squared all over 16 divided by 2. So this will be minus 9 all over 32. And open the brackets. 9 all over 8 minus 9 all over 32 plus 3 minus 9 all over 8 minus 3 all over 2 plus 9 all over 32. So this and this will cancel because negative and positive. This and this will cancel, positive and negative. Then we remain with 3 minus 3 all over 2. The LCM is 2. 1 goes into 2. 2 times 3. We have 6 minus 3. This equals to 3 all over 3 all over 2. And that is the result. So we are saying that that the probability that x is less than x is less or equal to 3 all over 4, or x is greater or equal to 3 over 4, and x is less or equal to 3 all over 2. It will be 3 all over 2. Thank you for listening and watching.